Dad?
Hey, Laura. You look tired.
Yes. I feel tired, Dad.
Tell me, what happened, sweetie?
I don't feel happy, Dad.
Oh, what happened?
School happened, Dad.
Hmm.
Some friends laughed again.
Again? That is not nice at all.
They made fun of me, Dad.
I'm sorry, sweetie.
I tried to ignore them, but it hurt.
It is okay to feel hurt.
I also felt sick.
Why? What happened?
My head hurt. My eyes felt heavy.
Oh, my dear Laura. Drink water first.
Okay. Dad, English class was confusing.
What happened there?
Teacher asked a question.
What question?
She said, Laura, had you finished your homework before class started?
Ah, past perfect tense.
I didn't understand, Dad.
That's okay, sweetie.
I knew, did you finish, but this, had you finished, felt different.
Yes, past perfect is different.
My friends answered fast.
Hmm.
I stayed silent. I felt embarrassed.
Don't worry. We will learn it slowly. Laura, relax.
Okay, Dad.
Learning takes time.
Yes, Dad.
And mistakes are normal, sweetie.
Yes.
You are not weak.
Okay.
You are learning. That is brave.
Thank you, Dad.
Past perfect tense talks about two past actions.
2 past actions?
Yes, one action happened first and another action happened later. Past perfect shows the first action.
First action.
Yes. Example, I had eaten dinner, then I went to sleep.
You ate dinner first.
Yes, then sleep happened.
Dad, why is past perfect tense so important?
Good question, because it makes your story clear.
Clear.
Yes, it shows the order of events.
Oh,
Without it, people get confused.
like me.
Yes, like you today. Easy formula for you, sweetie. Had plus V3.
Had plus V3.
Yes. I had eaten. I had gone. I had done.
Had done.
Perfect. V3 means past participle.
It sounds hard.
It is okay, Laura. We go slow. Common V3 words. Eat to eaten. Go to gone. Do to done. See to seen. Write to written. Take to taken.
Eat, eaten. Go, gone.
Great. Repeat after me, sweetie. I had finished my homework.
I had finished my homework.
I had eaten lunch.
I had eaten lunch.
I had gone to school.
I had gone to school.
Very good. Now, Laura, use your life.
Okay. I had studied. Then I went to school.
Good.
I had packed my bag. Then I left home.
Nice.
I had eaten breakfast. Then I walked to school.
Perfect.
Dad, I still feel confused.
It is okay. Let's practice again. Simple past equals one past action.
Okay.
Past perfect equals first past action. Example, I ate dinner. This is simple past. I had eaten dinner before I slept. This is past perfect.
Oh, past perfect has 2 actions.
Exactly. Now let's practice teacher question, Laura. Had you finished your homework before class started?
Yes, I had.
Great. Had you eaten breakfast before you went to school?
Yes, I had.
Nice. Now let's practice negative. Had not or hadn't plus V3.
Okay, Dad.
Repeat after me, sweetie. I hadn't finished my homework.
I hadn't finished my homework.
She hadn't eaten lunch.
She hadn't eaten lunch.
Great. Now speak a short paragraph, sweetie.
I had studied at night. I had finished my homework. Then I slept. In the morning, I went to school.
Very clear story. Final recap time, sweetie. Ready?
Yes, ready, Dad.
Meaning?
2 past actions. 1 happened first.
Formula?
Had plus V3.
Great.
Dad, now I understand past perfect tense.
Excellent, my little champion.
Tomorrow I will answer teacher.
Yes, you will.
If she asks, had you finished your homework?
You will say?
Yes, I had.
Perfect.
Thank you for helping me, Dad.
Always, Lara. I am so proud of you.